Alright, we're doing a little testing to see if we can get internet to this house from the RV park way on the other side of them trees. Elevation is your friend. So we're going to try this because this is the piling that we're going to put the pole on. It's going to be a 10-foot pole, so it'll be good 4 or 5 feet above the floor level up there. But I can see the antenna, the AP, from where the CPE is now. So I'm going to go connect it up and see if I can get it connect and get to the AP, be sure it's all synchronized and everything. If it does, then I'll let her know that it will work in this area. All I got to do is put a pole, mount it, figure out exactly where I'm going to run the wire to get it into home. But at least we're going to say it works. It won't be long before Spectrum be here to give me connection. So I'm going to test this, go back, wait for them, and talk to her because she's gone to lunch. So let's go see if we can get it connected. And it's about 800, according to Google Maps, it's about 825, 835 feet connection. So let's see if we can get it to work. All right, this is the setup. I don't know if this has got power. It looks like the light is on. I really can't see. I'm going to try to let it sit here for about a minute or two and see if it actually give me access to the radio. If not, I'm going to find another outlet and see if I can get this to work. All right, anybody that does this kind of work, you know what that sound means. All right, let's get over here and see what we can do to get the best connection. All right, let's see what we got. We're running about 65 to 70. They got chimes down here and the wind starts blowing over there. I can't hear the computer. Let's try it again. Well, a little bit adjustment. The speeds are better. And I can probably turn up the power on the AP, because I think I got it maybe like 7 or 8. Just enough to get it to send out a signal so I can actually see it. So after I get internet, but it's picking up. If I can give them 40, 50, that'd be great, because right now they're using a hotspot and they get like 15, 20 gigs. And when I talked to her like 2 or 3 days ago to see if she's willing to let me come in here, she already went through that, and it's only not even half the month at that time. So her having unlimited, yeah, and she has kids over, yeah, that'll work. So now we just wait for our connection, then we'll come back over here and get this thing set up. As long as she let me put it where I want. I have to go get a pole, which I got at my RV, get some straps. Just have to figure out where I'm going to run the power in at. Might have to do a temporary, whatever works. Get them internet. All right, we got it connected. I'm plugged directly into it. Let's see what we're going to get. Let's see where you're at. See what kind of speed we're going to get. Yep, I do believe that's more than enough speed right there. We only have like 20 RVs here and whatever surrounding houses. With 2 RV parks, I might have maybe 30. So we got more than enough. All right, we got our connection. Now we'll go to our first client, be sure they have internet. And then we are going to call it a day because I ran out. I need to go get a refill. But it's up and running. And the owners said they're going to wait to get internet at their house because they're going to put rails, build rails around that porch at the top. And then after that structure is built, then we figure out exactly where we're going to attach their antenna to get them internet. But they do want it. They just want to do some building on the porch up there, the rails and stuff like that. But let's go to the first client and be sure they got internet.